And in this video, we'll be learning just how to get all the tools you will need to start to write your PHP code and see them in action. Without wasting much time, let's swing into action. Now, open your browser. Currently, I'm making use of Google Chrome. At this point, you can type Google's website or just use Google search box straight from the browser. I opted in for the former. Now type Notepad++ in Google search box. Click on the first option. Now click on the first release you see there. In this case, it's Notepad++ 7.5.5. Now click Download. At this point, you have to look for a version that is compatible with your operating system. Since my operating system is 32-bit, I'll be downloading Notepad installer for 32-bit. Now you wait for Notepad++ to finish downloading and click on the downloaded file. This then pops out the installer. Click OK. Now click Next. Now click I agree. Click Next. Then still click Next. All of this should be fine, so I'll just click Install. Now that the installation is complete, you can click on Finish to run Notepad++ 7.5.5. Now we have successfully installed Notepad++. I'll just close this, and now we can begin to get our hands dirty writing some code. How nice. Now that we are done with Notepad++, we want to install XAMPP. Back to Google search box, simply type XAMPP. Now you click on the organic result that leads to apachefriends.org. From there, you choose a XAMPP that is compatible with your operating system, and then the download starts. Ensure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection as you are about to download this file. I'm going to fast forward this a little bit so that this will be a little bit faster. The file will soon download successfully, so we'll have to patiently wait as the file downloads so that we can proceed to the next steps. Once the download succeeds, you click on the downloaded file. At this point, we have to patiently wait for the installer to begin its procedure. So, please learn some patience. And of course, your patience has yielded some fruit. You see this little warning message here? Simply click OK. Everything should be just fine. Now we have a lot of nexts to click, so just follow along as I keep clicking nexts. Enjoy the nexts clicking. So once we are done clicking our nexts, our installation begins proper. This procedure takes quite some time, so remember, you still need to be patient. So let us wait patiently as XAMPP installs on our PC. At this point, XAMPP is opening up its companion website, bitnami.com. Let's see what it says. Say hello to your favorite applications on XAMPP. Well, that's nice, but we don't need this for now, so I'll just close this. I have fast forwarded this procedure a little bit, so this should be done in a moment. So all that is left now is for XAMPP to unpack files and create an uninstaller, and we would be done. Wow. Once we are done, we click Finish to start XAMPP's control panel. We check for a suitable one. This other language is unfamiliar with me, so I'll stick with English with the United States flag. So at this point, we want to see if everything is working just fine. So for Apache, we click Start, and for MySQL, we also click Start. Once they start successfully, then we are a good to go. Congratulations. And that is the simple procedure or process to download XAMPP and Notepad++ on our PC. Since I already have Google Chrome, of course that's what I use to download these files, I'm a good to go. All my tools are ready. At this point, I hope you too are ready. Once you are ready, join me in the next video. Please don't come if you are not ready. I'm just kidding. I'm waiting for you in the very next video. Thank you for watching.